We have two arithmetic progressions, one starting at 3 with last term 403 and the other starting at 2 with last term 404. We need the sum of their common terms. Let us solve step by step. The first progression has common difference 4, so its terms are 3 plus 4k. The second has common difference 3, so its terms are 2 plus 3l. Equating the two forms, we find one integer solution as k equals 2 and l equals 3. This gives the first common term as 11. Since the two common differences, 4 and 3, are coprime, common terms repeat every 12. So the common terms form a new arithmetic progression starting at 11 with common difference 12. The term for m equals 32 is 395, but the next term is 407, which is too large. So there are 33 common terms, and their sum is 6699. Therefore, the sum of the common terms is 6699. For more clear step-by-step exam solutions, keep learning with Acharya.